Hi, I'm Jinisai here. Let's study English together. Now I am at the Sayok Noi waterfall. It is located in Sayok district, Kanchanaburi, in the west of Thailand. It's about 170 kilometers west of Bangkok. You can come here by train, by bus, by car, by van. Okay, the train runs about two times or twice. นักเรียนคำว่า two times เราใช้คำว่า twice ได้นะครับ The train runs twice a day. Okay, and the buses leave Bangkok Southern bus station every half an hour. Okay, as you can see behind me, it's a small waterfall. That's why we call Sayok Noi. Noi means small. In Thai, Sayok Noi. In English, small waterfall. Okay, it's one of the attractions in Kanchanaburi. The people come here to swim and play water and walk around. This is very pleasant. Okay, you can see a lot of trees. The waterfall. See, very nice, cool. There are many trees. Okay. Please come to visit Sayok Noi waterfall in Kanchanaburi. Okay. It's very convenient to come and not very far from Bangkok. Okay. See you again from Janisai here. Bye bye.